Welcome to Bird Nest Suites, your brand new sanctuary in the vibrant heart of Istanbul. If you are ready to begin your journey and secure your stay, simply scan the QR code on your screen or check the link in the description below to access our exclusive booking options. Opened in 2024, Bird Nest Suites is a fresh and contemporary retreat designed for travelers who appreciate modern aesthetics paired with genuine warmth. This newly renovated hotel features 33 thoughtfully designed rooms, each serving as a peaceful haven from the bustling energy of the city. Whether you are visiting for a relaxing leisure trip or a fast-paced business venture, our suites are crafted to ensure your stay is both memorable and comfortable. Location is everything when exploring a city as historic as Istanbul, and Bird Nest Suites puts you right where you want to be. From our doorstep, you have effortless access to the city's rich cultural heritage, from its legendary ancient landmarks to its bustling, colorful markets and breathtaking scenic waterfronts. You are perfectly positioned to immerse yourself in the soul of the city while having a stylish home base to return to at the end of each day. We understand that travel schedules can be unpredictable, which is why we prioritize your convenience. We offer flexible check-in starting at 2 p.m. and check-out until 11 a.m. to help your transition be as smooth as possible. For those who need to stay connected, high-speed, free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property, ensuring you can share your experiences or stay on top of work without interruption. To make your stay even more effortless, we provide a variety of premium amenities. If cravings strike at odd hours, our 24-hour room service is always ready to deliver delicious meals directly to your door. For guests on the go, our professional laundry and dry cleaning services are available to keep your wardrobe looking sharp. We also pride ourselves on being a family-friendly destination. We are delighted to welcome younger travelers, with children aged 0 to 6 staying absolutely free of charge. At Bird Nest Suites, we combine fresh, contemporary decor with the essential comforts that make a hotel feel like home. Experience the perfect blend of style, convenience, and Turkish hospitality in one of the world's most captivating cities. Don't miss out on your chance to stay in this beautiful new destination. Scan the QR code on the screen now or click the link in the description to book your stay at Bird Nest Suites today. We look forward to welcoming you to Istanbul.